we're just going to put this entire pound in this basket. And we're going to see if you can cook it all at the same time. Sometimes you want to cook up a whole pound of bacon for BLTs. 'Tis the season. Tomatoes are out. Well, at least in New York. Like I said, we're putting the Ninja Foodi to the test to cook 1 whole pound of bacon in the air crisp basket. We're making BLTs today, so we are putting it to the test. My name's Lisa, and welcome to Pressure Crisp. This is going to be one of my most simplest recipes. It's not even a recipe. It's just a test. What we're going to do is going to cut this to open up the package. Real easy on that one. Once again, use a sharp knife. And once again, do this away from you. Alright. I've totally mangled the bacon. And like I said, this is 1 whole pound of bacon. We're just going to put every piece of this in there. And you're going to watch me do it. There we go. Just put it right into the air crisp basket. I'll do this as quick as I can. Bacon. We love bacon. Bacon makes everything taste better. Oh, yes it does. Bacon, 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 bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. Ooh, I don't know. This basket is getting full. Are we going to be able to do it? Only time will tell. Alright, stop please. This is just an experiment. I've got lots of experiments. Wipe our little hands off. And I just want to show you that that entire pound is in there. That's 1 whole pound of bacon. It's the regular sliced stuff. It's not the thick cut. Go ahead and shut your lid. We're going to choose air crisp. We're just going to keep it on 390 and hit start. Automatically defaults to 20 minutes, and we're going to go with that number for now. So it's been about 7 or 8 minutes. I'm going to pop the top, give a look-see. All right, a lot of that bacon is rendering out. Do you just want to give it a quick stir here? And yeah. I don't know if we can do this or not. Looking kind of rough here. I'm just going to go ahead and close the lid. Let it keep cooking. It's been 15 minutes. Oh yeah, look at this. We're getting some brownage here. All right. It's like curly queued up and stuff, but this is fine for what we're using it for today. I'm just making some BLTs later on. Well, not later on. Probably after I get the bacon done. So we're just going to let it continue to cook. Lower the lid. It looks like we may have to up the time, but I'm going to go all the way down to at least 1 minute, and we'll go from there. We got 2 minutes left. Oh yeah, this is coming along nicely. Woo. God, that pound of bacon, it actually, it cooked down to nothing. A few more minutes on this. We have 1 minute and 42 seconds left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tack on like 3 or 4 more minutes. So it's back up to 5 minutes. We got 1 minute left. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is perfect. Okay, so I guess this means that the Ninja Foodi can cook 1 pound of bacon at a time. Forget doing the 4, 5, 6 slices at a time, unless that's all you want. But this, it really can cook 1 pound of bacon at a time. You just gotta watch it a bit more and just keep turning it. This is fantastic. So I do want to pour this grease off and show you how much fat rendered out of this bacon. First of all, I really can't help myself. Yes, I always drink coffee, but look at that bacon. Look at that. Beautiful. That's a full pound. That's going to make a bunch of little BLTs for today because we have fresh tomatoes from the garden. Let me grab a bowl and I'll show you how much fat was rendered out. Once again, please be very careful. I've done this a million times and I'm taking, I guess, the chance on myself. I don't want you to do this, so let this cool down a bit before you dump this fat out. I'm just going to take my usual Pac-Man pot holder, use the tongs, give it a break here because that is hot. I hope this, I actually hope this container is big enough. but I think so. Oh my, holy moly. Look at that. Once again, please be careful. Very, very hot. That is quite a bit of bacon fat from that 1 pound of bacon. 1 whole pound. Yes, you can do it in your Ninja Foodi. 1 pound of bacon in the air, oh, it's over there, in the air crisp basket. So if you need to make a large portion of bacon because it's BLT season in upstate New York, tomatoes are coming in full-fledged. They won't be here for very much longer. And the tomatoes, they're just so good this time of year. Make a homemade loaf of bread. I mean, I could do a whole episode on BLTs because it's just, you think it's a simple sandwich. It's not. It's a delicious, handheld, just so good. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I appreciate you doing that. I appreciate all the positive comments.